Welcome! In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to display the reward bar in just a few simple steps. First, go to your Shopify theme editor. In the App Embeds section, turn on the Qikify app toggle button to activate the reward bar. Now, navigate to the cart page where you want to display the reward bar. On the sidebar, click Add section. Under Apps, select the reward bar app block, then click Save. Please note that you can drag and drop this section to choose the position for this reward bar. If you want a reward bar to appear in the cart drawer, let's do this extra step. Go to Theme Settings in the sidebar, scroll down to Cart, and change cart type to drawer. Don't forget to click Save to save changes. That's it. Your reward bar is now live as an embedded widget on your store.